今集會睇下我哋嘅人在野露營車生活。
How many liter water you use?
點樣會搞到泥足深陷？
你好啊，我哋係
港德製之二人。
konGTak selfmade。Cheers！
朝頭早9點要起身啦，又係天陰多雲。德國嘅天氣變幻無常，希望之後會好天啦。
I have here the dough, making the bread, and now I will put it in our oven.
平日朝早我都要上網上課程，落堂之後我哋就可以揸住個露營車，想去邊就去邊。
Hey guys, I'm harvesting superfood. I'm cutting the seeds of the Brennnessel, we call it in German. These are the female plants. You can see it, they're hanging down. I'm cutting only the higher plants to make sure there is no pea from the fox or something like that on it, which can lead to sickness. I'm having here all the seeds and I want to get all the spiders and insects out. You need to be careful, this plant is burning like hell. Need to dry so you can store them for a year. In order to speed up the drying process, I will put it in the oven and just keep it there very low temperature. Because the seeds are so tiny, it dries super fast. After drying, I'm just pulling out the seeds and we're getting the seeds. Then we will eat it with our muesli, or you can put it in soup and make all the tea out of it. These have a lot of vitamin C, D, iron, high natural protein. Freshly from the forest, you can get it every September, October. The seeds are ready.
到咗中午時間啦，我哋一齊煮個簡單午餐先。我哋而家喺德國北部嘅波羅的海沿岸，好開心，天氣真係轉好啊！意外咁揾到呢個唔錯嘅海邊營地，呢度大部分都係大型嘅露營車，車頂仲裝咗好大嘅電視天線，真係超豪華。難得有陽光與海灘，喺海邊散下步先。有無敵海景陪我哋做瑜伽。今日提早煮晚餐，我哋太掛住酸辣粉啦，所以試下喺露營車上面煮呢個豆腐素菜酸辣粉。
We are trying to save water.
仲記唔記得我哋喺自製露營車第5集安裝嘅水箱呢？2個水箱嘅容量分別可以維持大概4至5日，所以我哋會諗辦法減少用水，咁樣對於環境保護亦都有幫助。
She's trying to use less water as possible.
點解會額外用水桶呢？因為除咗可以控制用水嘅份量，亦都可以避免啲頭髮積聚喺排水位造成淤塞。
How many liter water you use?
Less than before. Maybe it's like half.
6 liter? Good. Yay!
趁住星期6日，我哋去探住喺農場嘅當地朋友。呢間可以移動嘅屋係朋友自己由貨櫃改建而成嘅。只要揾到合適嘅地點，同埋只需要交好少嘅租，就可以隨心所欲搬去唔同嘅地方住啦。呢度有無敵大草原，又有唔同嘅可愛動物做鄰居，真係令人樂而忘返啊！點知連我哋嘅露營車都唔捨得離開呢度。我哋出盡九牛二虎之力都推唔喐佢，原來係因為之前係咁落雨，令到啲泥土軟化，所以搞到而家泥足深陷，不能自拔啦。唯有睇住小肥羊食草，等農場主人返嚟拯救我哋啦。